So friends, today I will show you how to install this Adobe Photoshop software on your system. I have this Adobe Photoshop CS3 version. So let's go open the folder. Here you can see there is one exe file, setup.exe. Double click that one. Initialization of Adobe Photoshop CS3 is started, so we give some time. It's license agreement, just click accept. Here it will ask you where you want to install, so I will install in the C drive where normally Windows are installed. Click next. Here is the summary, installation location and other things. So click install and the process will be started. It will take some time depending on your system speed. So friends, in the meantime I would like to tell you about the Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a very wonderful software and its workspace is arranged so that you can create, edit the files and documents very easily. It has a variety of tools for viewing, editing and adding elements to your images. It can be used everywhere. You can create website banners, you can create YouTube channel art, and you can also use this to create edited images which can be used by you on your websites, galleries and other things. So all these works can be done by the Adobe Photoshop software. The newer versions are available. I have this Adobe Photoshop CS3, so I am telling you how to install this. It will take some time, so let's wait. I'll come back. So friends, you can see that the installation is completed here. Here you can click on this one, finish and restart. It will finish the installation and restart your computer. But on the other hand, you can also just finish and restart later stage. So I will just click the finish. So the installation is finished. If you see the start up button, this is where the software is installed, but it will not work because one more thing, last step you have to do is to completely install this software. You have this crack version, click on it, copy. You have to copy this exe file of the Photoshop. You go to the drive C where actually is this Adobe Photoshop is installed. My Photoshop is installed in program files. This is Adobe. Here you can see Adobe Photoshop CS3. So just copy and paste that file here. It will ask you, then we select the first option, replace the file in the destination. You have to replace the file and that's it. The Photoshop is installed. I'll open the Photoshop for you. So guys, it's a wonderful software. Most of the people make the banner of their websites by Adobe Photoshop, YouTube channel art by Adobe Photoshop. Later in my videos I will also show you how to create a banner and how to create a YouTube channel art by using Adobe Photoshop very easily. So here you go, things are installed here. You can edit image, there are a lot of options are available here. It's very wonderful software. You can easily edit photos. You go to the new option. Here you can select the width, height of your image in inches. You can also select the pixels, centimeters. For the website, banners and YouTube channels, normally we select the pixels. So there are a lot of options are here. So once we start the tutorials, I will show you. Right now this tutorial is only how to install the Adobe Photoshop on your system. So thank you very much.